You're using drop-down lists in your spreadsheets, but your list length changes. It can be a real pain updating all the drop-downs, especially if you've got a lot. So I've got a great little tip here that'll save you ever having to do that again. Right, the great thing about this tip is it works for all types of drop-down lists. So I've got 3 examples here. They're all linked to this list of provinces. So this is a data validation list. This is a form control, and this is an ActiveX control. Now, all of them at the moment, the last item in the list is this Alberta. I'll just set them all to that, which is the bottom of this list. Now, if I add something to the bottom, I'm going to add up for Excel to the bottom, you'll see none of them will pick this up. And that's exactly what I would expect, and hopefully you would expect too, because their lists have been set as a particular range of cells. Now, if I'll just take that out for the moment, if when it's this long you hit Control T to turn your list into a table and hit OK on that, and I'll wait, you're getting some crazy formatting, but pretty easy to remove that. Now it's a table. When you add something to a table, the table automatically expands. And even though I linked these before they were a table, before it was a table, it still picked it up, and all of them have got the new item at the bottom. Okay, what about if I want to make the list shorter? I want to take that back out again. Well, if I just say delete, unfortunately what we now get is a blank at the bottom. So we don't want to actually just clear the cell. We need to actually delete the cell. So you can do that with Control minus. You've got this little indicator here. In fact, if I put the table design back on to say that, you can see, as you type one, you get another list. But as you delete like that, it doesn't work. If I do Control minus, the table shrinks and these lists back again as they were. Hope you enjoyed that. I think that's going to save you a load of time if you're using drop-down lists where the list length varies. All right, plenty more tips on it for Excel, so have a look around and hope you find something that'll save you even more time. See you soon.